Welcome back guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today I would like to show you just a quick update for XRP. Let's dive in. This is a global chart, guys. What we track it since, I don't know, around here I start track this chart in 2023. So we build the FIB, global one from the all-time high in 18 year. After that, we tested the 38, so 27 block, everything playing out perfectly well. I still believe the XRP will hit the main all-time high around $4.82. Maybe with a weak candle we can hit like 5 and a few cents. I don't believe in XRP to $10 or I don't know, $100 like many influencers shill this stock in social media. Donald Dump, we landed to 23 low by FIB, not close the crazy huge monthly gap. So I guess in the next bear market, and I think really soon, in the next few months, I think we'll come back and close the 50% of this gap, maybe even the full fill. And the buy line now on a monthly time frame for XRP around the 50 cents. Once again around the 27 block, so nothing changed. And the take profit line now on the monthly above the test, it's $1. Exit line, it's $1.13. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to these levels again. Also, I believe we will see the 3 rise pattern, so like 1, 2, and maybe some 3 top. Maybe we're gonna stop at $4. Nobody knows, guys, where we're gonna stop, but definitely guys, after even this move, we're gonna land it back, I think, under $1. It's just my humble opinion, you know. What I can see now, we didn't drop and not close the 50% of this week. No, I guess we could close the October around $2, but now we traded it to $2.63. So basically we got like a lot of buyers now. It's bullish. It's bullish for XRP. On the weekly time frame, we tested even lower than fundamental take profit line, but didn't test the buy line. Buy line, it was like on a weekly time frame, $1.09. Sorry. Now we hold the line pretty good around the test of exit line, and would be good to see the continuation, because guys, if not, the rule will be to close the 50% of this monthly huge weak candle. And I'll be not surprised if we're gonna drop to $2.09 at the beginning of November, or even $1.80. I hope not. I hope not, because if yes, we will waste a lot of time again. We'll waste the few weeks more. Also, I don't think so it was the end of cycle for XRP. Not because I'm a fan of XRP. I totally don't care about the Ripple and all of these insiders. But I don't think so. It is how the cycle ended. We didn't see that crazy euphoria on the market, not even for XRP, not even for BTC. Even the people only now going in to buy, the physical gold. So this is the euphoria. So the people waited the hours, stay on the line, and wait. The crowd of people waiting in Australia, at least in Australia. So I didn't see any hype for BTC like now. That's why I think the alts also will pump to new all-time highs. Not all of them will pump to new all-time high, but I think the XRP can hit. And it's going to be the madness when every single influencer going to tell you $10 confirm it, $100 confirm it, $50 confirm it, $200 confirm it. All of this absolutely random numbers. For XRP, that's why conservative price target is $4.82. This is it. Also, I don't think so we're going to drop now to $1.10, because if yes, guys, yes, unfortunately, it was a end of cycle in June 2025. Kind of weird, end of bull run in summer. I don't think so. Daily, guys, daily. We already dumped it to test the buy line for the value. So the flash crash again at the beginning of November, if we will see again the drop, it's close to 50% of week. It's $2.09, $1.80. So this is it. I don't think so. We're going to drop to $1.44 again. No. Take a look. The take profit line now on a daily, it's $3.82. Exit line, $4.30. With a weak candle, maybe we're going to test $4.82. A 12 time frame, which is in the middle. And the take profit line is $3.67. Exit line, $4.13. Got it. So let's double check with other indicators. ADZ, direction ADZ we can close because there is not data for crypto. Global charts, no signal to sell, guys, on a weekly time frame. Kind of interesting. Here was a signal to sell and we dump it. Now, kind of strange, but no signals to sell. It's really strange. Personal for me, you know. Imagine only here in January 5, we saw the one and only signal in a whole history on the weekly time frame for XRP's time to sell. Kind of strange. Monthly time frame, same story. Here was a main accumulation. Now, no signal to sell. That's why I guess, yes, we can see the continuation. After this drop or without that drop, I think that Donald Trump will figure out everything with China, you know, and we go a little bit higher. So the last impulse for BTC, at least I'm waiting. This was also time to sell in June, zone 45, and now nothing. No, nothing, guys. But once again, ask yourself, is it okay for you to buy XRP for potential 100% profit? This is what you're looking for from the altcoin season? I'm not. Daily, this is a hopium, so everything okay for XRP. This is a kind of trill zone on the weekly time frame, and I guess, yes, still aphoria on the monthly, even after this flash crash. So just be careful, guys. Targets, I showed what I'm waiting. You know, you can wait your own targets. This was a sell signal in August. Kind of strange also. I didn't track XRP so often, you know. Here also was signal to sell in June. And we dump it. Kind of interesting situation. So sell also in June on a daily time frame. Drop by take profit. So we need to close all short position. Here was a buy. No new signal to buy. I hope, you know, to see this one move and reversal move in November, December. And I hope to see the Santa rally. I hope to see the some maybe January top, maybe some like top of the top in zone 26, maybe the spring zone 26, who knows. The last indicator, guys, is money power. No money inflow, no money outflow. Good one. So like neutral. Main money inflow was here in summer, zone 24. Money outflow, now nothing. No money in, no money out. No, so nothing. I guess the insiders soon will start fix the profit. Here, we need to see something like this one. May, June, zone 17. But after that, we trade half year with a crazy spike up. Now we trade at the top without any money in outflow. So anyway, I think that whales soon will start to fix the profit, and you know, they will not maybe fix exactly at the top of the top. They not chase it, fix at the top. It's only retailers trying to catch the knives at the bottom, top of the top. I guess they will start fix it earlier, right? And maybe a few months extend at the pump, and after that dump again. And the people will wreck and stock and talking forever for the next 8 years maybe. 12 time frame, here's some money outflow. So 12 time frame is more for intraday. That's why I would be not surprised if we bounce by end of today or next week to $2.78, and maybe will make sense to open short position for potential 25% drop in November. Who knows? We will see. So this is a local zone, guys. Just focus yourself on this block. So it's a range 180, 279. Even it's a futures or the spot. Targets I showed you. You can watch the first videos about XRP and track it together with me on this channel. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.